In the latest stage of the sexual assault case against him, Prince Andrew is expected to argue he has not been served papers, and will challenge the jurisdiction of the case.
Virginia Giuffre has launched a civil case against the Duke, and papers must be served before it can proceed.
A lawyer for the Duke of York, 61, is expected to appear in a New York pre-trial court hearing on Monday.
He denies all the allegations against him.
The hearing, to be held in a video conference, will consider the next stages of the case, which began last month.
The judge will decide whether papers were in fact served and whether the case can proceed.
Ms. Giuffre, now 38, was an accuser of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, and claims she was sexually assaulted by the prince at 3 locations, including New York City.
The case centers around allegations the prince sexually abused Ms. Giuffre, then known as Virginia Roberts, at the London home of Epstein associate Ghislaine Maxwell, and at Epstein's homes in Manhattan and Little St. James in the U.S. Virgin Islands.
It claims Prince Andrew engaged in sexual acts without Ms. Giuffre's consent, knowing how old she was, and that she was a sex trafficking victim.
The prince, the Queen's second son, has consistently denied the claims, and told BBC Two's Newsnight in 2019, "It didn't happen. I can absolutely categorically tell you it never happened. I have no recollection of ever meeting this lady, none whatsoever."
Newly filed documents showed the prince will be represented by lawyer Andrew B. Brettler, of the Los Angeles-based law firm Laveley and Singer.
Mr. Brettler was named in the Hollywood Reporter's 2019 Power Lawyers list and specializes in media and entertainment litigation, according to the firm's website.
Ms. Giuffre's lawyers claimed papers were left with a police officer at the gates of Prince Andrew's Windsor home last month.
According to court documents from Ms. Giuffre's lawyers, an answer is due from him by the 17th of September and, if you fail to respond, judgment by default will be entered against you for the relief demanded in the complaint.